Zhongyin from Pairdeer Battery. Alongside is my partner, Arthur.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our program. Every day we use up batteries. So battery is one of necessary and important products in our daily life. That's the reason why Mr. Shi visited us. It's very honored, right? Because we produce the Auckland battery production line by ourselves and produce the quality Auckland battery from the line.
We all know at the beginning of 2020, a novel coronavirus spread across China. Thereupon, our production and daily life have been affected.
Yes, Valentin. So our company held a meeting and immediately took the government's instructions to ensure the health and the safety of workplace in our company. It's our responsibility to protect our employees.
On February the 7th, our company was listed on the first Green Foreign Trade Enterprises in Zhejiang province and could enjoy the priority of returning to work.
Great, that's great.
On February 10th, the production had back to normal on the whole and guaranteed timely delivery for each order.
It's our responsibility to restart our production to meet our shipment schedule that we promised to our customers.
One thing I heard during this epidemic, Sonic did a really amazing thing, that is to produce masks by ourselves.
Yeah, at the beginning of February, we will start to prepare a production line of masks to help prevent and control the epidemic.
Is it true that the first mask made in just 20 days, in such a short time?
Exactly, thanks to the group's deployment. All departments worked together for equipment ordering, raw materials purchase, and the layout of the factory adjustments. We raced against time to complete the trial production on March 15th and passed the third-party test in early April.
Here goes a video of mask production line. Quite good. Trust us. The Pairdeer battery gonna be your choice. See you.
Bye-bye.